I'm so excited this year. I got the opportunity to work for a couple dancers from Tavake Rereata. They are under the direction of Mevina and Napua Liufau, coming in from Japan. I'm featuring a dancer named Momoka. She's well known throughout the community, absolutely beautiful. We're putting some really bright reds on her. She's a very exotic, I want to say Polynesian exotic, Japanese dancer. I just really want to do a good job with her. She's new. I'm a little bit nervous, but I think we can do a great job.
Judges are ready. Drummers.